Hey everyone! Buckle up, because in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest car on car parking multiplayer. Not only that, but I'll also be sharing with you the best gearbox settings to really maximize your speed and performance. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Now, let's move on to the gearbox settings. With these settings, you'll be able to shift gears smoother than butter on a hot pancake. Now that we've got our car all set up and ready to go, it's time to put it to the test. Let's head over to the drag strip and see what this baby can do. As you can see, this car is an absolute beast on the track. With the right gearbox settings, it's able to reach incredible speeds and leave its competition in the dust. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to like and subscribe.